In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a trading journal with win rate tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable workspace to log trades and automatically track how often you win, all inside Notion. Start by opening Notion and heading to the top left corner of the app. Click the small drop-down arrow there to open the main menu. This expands your workspace options and reveals quick links you'll need for the next steps. From that menu, click on Templates. This takes you to Notion's built-in template gallery, which is the easiest way to jumpstart a structured page. If you're redirected to the marketplace view, that's perfect. Notion sometimes routes you there for the extended library. Inside the marketplace, click Templates again if prompted. You want to be in the section where you can browse and search the full catalog. The layout may vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the global template search bar. In the search bar, type Trading Journal. Give it a moment to load results. You'll see a variety of options created by Notion and the community. Look for a template that includes a database table and mentions tracking results, outcomes, or performance. Those usually provide a solid foundation for a win rate calculation. Select the template that best matches your style. Use the preview to skim the structure. Check for properties like date, ticker, entry, exit, notes, and a field for outcome or status. A good preview should help you visualize how your logs will look before you commit. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. If you're prompted to choose a destination, pick the page or team space where you want the journal to live. Notion will copy the template and open your new page immediately so you can begin customizing. Now edit the template to fit your trading process. Rename the page to something clear, then adjust the database properties. Add or fine-tune fields such as setup, risk per trade, screenshots, and a result property where you mark each trade as win or loss. For the win rate tracker, include a formula property that calculates wins divided by total completed trades, and format it as a percentage. If your template already has this, review how it counts wins to ensure it matches your labels. Consider creating views, like a calendar by date or a group board by result, so you can quickly spot patterns. Keep the interface simple. The clearer your inputs, the more reliable your stats will be. That's it. Your trading journal is ready. Log consistently, keep your categories tidy, and let the win rate tracker surface your performance over time.